Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can get the form data and how you can assign the data inside our variables and how you can display on the page. Once we receive the data from the form, we will able to perform the operation like insert the record inside our database. So first thing we need to set up this placeholder post status. So I'm gonna change that. I go to add post. I'm gonna leave the other tabs like this one, right? And also leave this one. Where is the post author? Post. This one also is a post text. Post text, right? And I'm gonna change the post status, right? Now the first thing you need to go on above, and after the nav bar you need to write basic syntax of PHP, and first use if statement. Is set $post. Anyone user click on the button, then come into the body. Which button? We need to call this one button, right? This is the button name. You need to copy that, go to above and paste on here. Once you use this statement, then you need to get the data from this form. So first thing you need to get the post title. So I'm going to create a post title $post and first input text field name like post title. Copy that and paste it. Now the second thing you need to use post get ID and second input text field name, right? And the third one is the post author. I use equal sign $post, and third one input text field name post author, right? Fourth one is the post status. I think I need to check that. Yes, post status. And fifth one is the image. But before getting image, you need to use the attribute inside our form tag ink type and multi-part form data. This one attribute, because we will store the image and also name. So this is called multi-part. So you need to use attribute ink type and assign the value multi-part form data. Then you need to create a variable image, post image, and use files, right? Because this is the file. Inside the first array, this is the call array. You need to, where it is image, this one, you need to copy that and paste on here. Now second thing you need to include on here is name, right? This is the image type and this image name. And now the next thing you need to get the image location where you want to save the image. I'm gonna create a variable post temp, right? And I'm gonna create this one same way, files. Which file you want to store inside our temporary location? This one image. I just copy this one name, this one, and paste on it. And also you need to use temp temp underscore name. This is a file getting process, this one. Now the next thing we need to get the post text, post content. So post text $post, and I'm gonna copy the post tag name like this one, paste on here, and post author $post, and I go to below, and where is the post? No, post content. Copy that. I'm gonna change the variable name post content, right? But we need to also create two variables and assign the value static. The first one is a post date, so I'm going to create a function date. That will be, I will assign the format day, month, year, right? And the last one is the post comment. Those are database fields values, right? So I'm gonna create comment post. No, I just assign the value for, right? So guys, we need to display the each data on the page without image, right? So I'm gonna write equal statement, and I'm gonna call each variable like post title space concatenation sign and post get id, right? I'll use this way, very quick. Post author and post status, and then post tags. Okay, post tags, and then post content, and those are basically manually data, but I want to display those also. I'm gonna use WordPress to display the complete code inside my screen without scrolling the page. So the next thing we need to call post date and post comment space post comment. So save that and let's check it now what happened on the page. So I'm gonna use web development category ID. I use web develop, author admin, status draft, and leave that, and I use web development something, right? So let's check it now. Web develop, right? As you can see, get ID, this is a post author, and post status web development, this is post tag, and something is basically content, and this is the date, but I can't see the comment. I didn't use post comment, and the post comment is a 4. Why I can't see the comment? As you can see, comment has been appeared, right? So let's move on the image with our local directory. So first I'm gonna show you the local directory, XAMPP htdoc cms, right? First you need to go on here and open images folder, imgs folder. Inside this folder I have 2 images. Once I will store the record inside our database, I want to store the also image inside my local folder like imgs, right? So you need to write, first I'm gonna use move upload file. We need to pass 2 parameters. First one is your temporary location, so you need to copy this one variable. Now the second one you will use double quotation and where you want to store the image. So I'm gonna use dot backslash sign imgs folder. Inside the imgs folder I'm gonna store the image, this one. First I'm gonna use backslash sign and this one image, right? Use terminate. Now let's check it now, it's working or not. So I'll leave everything without image and upload the image from my folder. So I'm gonna use this one image, right? And I click to add post. First I'm gonna show you the folder, right? And I use this one I seen the date right, but I check. I can't see the image, right? As you can see, I think something have wrong on here. Post image name, image temp files. So I think I need to check that. Where is a mistake? img, everything is perfect. imgs time dots post temp. Okay, post image. Okay, we need to make a space, right? Because those are two parameters. So without spacing, the move upload files calling a one parameter, right? So you need to use space between the first and second parameter. This is the second parameter and this is the first parameter, right? So let's check it now. This time I'm gonna upload the image and I'm gonna upload this one, add post, right? And I'm gonna open this one folder. As you can see guys, the image has been appeared. I want to remove that. I want to display this image, I mean move this image after store the record inside our database, right? So first I'm gonna use SQL and insert into post. This is a query and you need to select the columns and we'll use parentheses, right? Inside this parenthesis you need to call the database table name, column names, and now the values will be, you will enter brackets, comma, and variables post. So title this way, right? Just a minute, I'm going to show you. Okay, post, and now you need to follow on those steps. Post get id. So post get id, you need to pass this one variable, copy that and leave that. First I'm gonna assign the columns. Post get id sec, this is the first column name without this column. This is the first. Now the second, post title, you need to enter the, now the second one is a post title, right? So I'm gonna use post underscore title, comma, third one is a post author. Those are database column names, table column names. As you can see, post title, post author, post date, right? And post date, right? And we need to check that. Post image, so I'm going to use post image img, I think this is the folder name. Post content, post content, and post text, right? And then post text and post comment count, post comment count, right? Those are database table column names. And post status, last one is post status, so I'm going to use post underscore status. So we need to follow on those columns, the first one, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to assign the value. So first one is the post title, this is a variable. No, first one is the post get id, this one variable, because the first column name have a post get id, so you need to use this one way, comma, the second one is post title, so I'm going to use post title. Third one is post title, post author, so I use post author, comma, and post date. So I'm going to use now function. I will use this date, basically post date, right? And use parentheses, comma, post date, post image. So I'm gonna copy this one variable and paste on here, right? Post image and post content, comma, post content, where it is, post text, right? And post text, post comment count. So we need to copy this one variable and paste on here, right? And then post status. So I'm gonna use post status. So 1, 2, we need to check that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? Those are our values. This is our query. Then we need to use the if statement, not if statement. I'm going to create a variable result and use MySQL query, pass 2 parameter connection and SQL variable. Then I'm going to use if statement result variable. If everything is perfect, then I want to use this one. Means everything is clear, the data will store inside our database, then our image will be moved on our local folder. Otherwise, I want to display the message query failed, right? So I think I need to check that it's working or not. So I'm gonna check. First I'm gonna refer that, and query failed, right? I see the query failed option. I'm gonna just a minute. I check that. Record has been saved in the database, right? So I need to I will use comma, single comma to assign the separate, right, on each variable, right? In this way, right? Right. I think it should be work. MySQLi MySQL, right? And I check again, right? This is space. Okay, I think everything is perfect. Insert into post, and this one is values, right? So I think it should be work, right? So I think we will able to store the record. Web development, use category 1, post author admin, post status publish, and I'm gonna upload the image. So check that. I'm gonna use this one image, right? Development, we are learning web development, right? I'm gonna click add post. Record has been saved in the database, so I think it should be displayed on here. As you can see, guys, number 3, 1 web development, and everything is perfect, but date doesn't appear on here like this. As you can see, I will manage that on later, right? Everything is clear, as you can see. Let's check now image has been appeared or not. Image has been also appeared, right? As you can see. So I hope you understood as well how you can get the data from form and how you can store the record inside our database. In the next video I'm going to teach you another thing. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can delete the record. Before deleting the record, I'm going to show you the function php date function. Now once you enter now function, then you need to remove this one. Once you enter this one, then this function will get the current time which available inside your PC. So I have tried that and I have stored the record inside my database. As you can see, 2019, 12 and 9, this is my date, right? I stored the last one post. So let's talk about the add post, right? I'm gonna leave that, right? And I'm gonna click on that, add new post. As you can see, I can't see the image, add new post on here, right? So first thing we need to set up that. So I need to go on admin includes name.php and here. So we need to create we need to call post. This is my file name, this one .php, and then you need to create a get variable. I'm going to show you just a minute. This one get variable, I copy that and use this way, equal to add post. This text will be matched with our this post, then this file will be opened. So I think it should be work. Save that, post.php. This is my get variable and this is a file name. Leave that and click on add new post. As you can see guys, we have successfully received the form inside our main page, right? Now the next thing we need to go on a view all post page, where it is here, I think here. So inside this section we are able to see view all post. I'm going to show you just a minute. Here I want to display the delete and also edit buttons on the right side to perform the operation edit and also delete the record. So I'm going to create a td ref and no view underscore all post. This is the file name, currently file name this one, and .php. we need to create a get variable to perform the operation like delete the record. So I'm going to create a del and assign the value this one, the id, right? So I'm going to call, I will use span tag. Inside the span tag, just a minute, I check that span, just a minute, span close. Inside the span tag I'm going to assign the class fa trash, and also we need to assign the, first I'm going to save that and let's check it now, right? As you can see, but I want to assign the button class btn danger. Perfect, right? And also I'm going to assign the top of this section td operations, and I will just call span to means split the two columns, right? And also I'm going to create a get variable, another pencil. I'm going to use pencil, fa pencil means edit, and this will be used to edit the record. So okay, class FFA edit FA edit. I think it should be display. Perfect, as you can see, right? So let's talk about the edit the records. So first thing, I'm going to click on the first one. This is a view post.php, and this is a get variable, and this is a my particular record value. I'm going to click on the second one, view all post.php, and this is a get variable, and this is a my get variable value. So I'll leave this one view all post. I think this is a view all underscore post. Perfect. Now inside this page, after this table tag, I'm going to call if is set, use basic syntax of PHP. The delete process is very simple. If is set $_post, not post. This is the get $_get. The del get variable is active. I'm going to change the second one. Basically second one is a perform the edit now, so I'm going to change the edit, right? If the del get variable is active, then I'm going to get the value del id from the get variable, right? Using del variable. Then I'm going to call query. Query is delete from post, where I think I need to check that post ID. So ID, I think post ID, right? Where post ID, where need a single quotation in this one, right? And then I'm going to create a result variable, MySQL I query, pass two parameter, connection and SQL variables. Once we successfully delete the record from the database and also our web page, so I'm gonna use if statement, and I'm gonna leave the everything. I'm gonna use the location view underscore all PHP. I want to redirect the user with this page, right? I think I need to remove this one. Basically I want to go on above, and I want to move on the user with post.php page, because we are able to see all posts inside this page post.php. I'm going to show you. I go back, and this is the post.php. Inside the post.php have a same content, so I'm going to change to view all post to post.php, right? And I'll leave the other things. I just use simple this one statement, and I think I need to check that it should be work fine. I'm going to do last one. Doesn't work, right? So I need to check the query. Delete from post, where post id del dot, this is my get variable, this is the result. I'll leave this one without using this one way. That's my right. I do not use any query, so I last one, refer that. Let's check it now in the database. The last one record has been removed, and also last one record has been removed from the our web page. I'm gonna delete the also last one. I'm gonna refer that. Last one record has been removed. Refer that. Right, everything removed from the database and also our web page. So this is working process to perform the operation like delete the record from the post. I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can delete the record. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can use edit button to display the particular page. Inside the particular page we will able to see the input text field. Once we do that, then we will able to get the particular record inside our edit.php page. But before working on that, I'm going to show you important thing. The important thing is I have tried many times to delete the record inside our web page, and my record has been successfully deleted on my web page and also database, but the image is still available on my local computer. Right, this is the image. I'm going to show you the example. I'm going to delete the record and I'm going to refresh that just a minute. The record has been removed, right? I'm going to refresh it. This is my database table. Now as you can see, the record also removed from the database, but I go to CMS images folder. Inside images folder have an image available, so I'm going to remove also this one image. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First thing, you need to go on view all post .php page, and first thing you need to get the image from database. So I'm going to create image _ row and database column name which have a post image like this one. Copy that, paste it. Right, now the next thing, you need to go on below, and I'm going to use a result variable. Just if result variable is active, then come into the if body, and I'm going to unlink the image. So I'm going to call .. images folder. Inside the images folder I'm going to call old image, and also I'm going to use header location post.php. right, I think this is a post.php page, so I think it should be work fine. So first I'm going to remove this one image, and I'm going to open this one, click to add post, write something, upload image. I'm going to upload any image like this, something, paid post. Right, let's check it now in the view all post. Right, as you can see, an image also available in my local computer. The database, the record has been also saved inside our database. So I'm gonna use a delete operation. Right, the record has been deleted from web page and also database. Let's check it now in the, as you can see guys, my image also removed from my local computer. Right, this is the working process how you can delete the content and also image. Now let's talk about how we can edit the record. So first thing, you need to go on admin_include folder and create a basically I have already made, I think, yes, I have made the page with the name of edit_post.php. Inside this page have a simple text like h2 edit post. Right, you can create this one page inside include admin includes folder. Right, once you add that, then you need to go on view_all_post.php page, go to above, and this is your basically a get link. Right, I mean get variable. So I'm gonna use edit_post and PID. Right, and also I'm gonna assign OPT. This is my get variable. We have made I'm gonna show you switch statement inside our post section. This one, I need to assign this one variable inside the link. Then this is a page name. I will use this one page name inside my switch statement, and this is a PID, means post ID. I'm gonna show you. First I'm gonna save that, and I'm gonna show you first we need to add the record, right? I'm gonna use web designing, web, I'm gonna use file, author, admin, post published, and I'm gonna upload image like this one. Photoshop, I use dummy text, something, right? Record has been saved inside our database. Let's check it now. I'm gonna click on edit. As you can see guys, this is a get variable and this is the page name. I will create a, basically I have made this one page, but I need to assign this one page inside our switch statement. And this is the PID, means post ID. You can write any name as you like, right? This is a particular post ID. So I need to go on our post.php page, and inside the second case you need to use edit underscore post, right? And inside the echo statement you need to use copy and paste, and you need to call the edit file, this one. So I'm gonna use edit underscore post, right? Save, and let's check it now. This time I think it should be work fine. I'm gonna click on that. As you can see guys, PID, OPT, edit post. I'm gonna show you this one, edit post. As you can see, I'm gonna change that post page, save, and refresh that, right? So we have successfully used the link inside our edit.php page. We will able to redirect with another page like opt edit underscore post, and this is a particular page ID. Inside this post, inside this page, first I'm going to remove all the stuff, and we need to go on a post.php page, not post.php page. We need to go on it underscore post.php page. Inside that you need to copy all of this stuff and go to edit.php page and paste out, because we need same form, right? So I'm gonna remove other queries like this one. I will use them all later. So save, and after that, right, post title, we need to change that. So I'm going to change that, edit post, and also I need to change this one inside our add post, where it is add post, right? So inside this page we will write the query, and we need to assign the detail inside our each input text field, right? In the next video I'm going to teach you how you can get the particular record from the database, and how you can assign the data inside our variables, input text field, right? So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can create a edit underscore post.php page and how we can use that. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can get the particular record from the view all post, and how you can display the particular record inside the form, right? So first thing you need to go on, first thing I'm going to show you one more thing. I go to view all post, and I'm going to select any post. For example, this one I received, this is a get variable, and also this one, and also this one. This is a page name basically, and this is a basically a get variable also. So I will target this get variable to get the particular ID. With the help of ID we will display the particular record inside our form. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and open edit underscore post.php file. So I'm going to use simple if statement, and I'm call if set double underscore get p underscore id. This is get variable name. This one we have assigned this one, just a minute, where it is. We have assigned this one variable inside my URL post, this one, right? This get variable is active. Then come into the if body. Inside the if body I need to get the complete record from the database, so I need to use query. The query is select stated from table name post where PID. This is a database table column name PID. I'm going to show you this one, right? This one. I think I need to change that. Post ID equal to single quotation, and we need to first get the data. Post ID. First we need to get the ID from the URL and assign the ID inside our variable. We need to call this one variable inside our query. This query will help you to display the particular record. Then I'm going to create a result variable, call MySQL query, pass two parameters, connection and secure. Then I'm going to use that to get the data from database. So I'm going to use while row MySQL fetch associate and pass result value. Script bracket. Inside the script bracket we need to get the data from database and assign the data inside our variable. So I'm going to open my view underscore all.post php file. I go to not yes, I will use those things. So I'm going to copy that and paste on here, and we need to first create a variable post ID, use equal sign and do more other stuff there, and I'm going to create a post author, remove this one, and post title and post tag ID, right, and post status, right, status. Another thing we need to get it like image, so I just use this one and create a ing, right, and post title get post author. So post author row post author. This is database column name, right? I have already included that. I need to check that what is next. We need to get the data from the database. Post status, I think yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Post title, post get ID, post author, post status, yes, everything is perfect. Image, post tags, we need to get the post tags, right? Post tags row post text. This is the database column name, so we need to check that, yes. And post tags, post content, right, where is the image? Post content, so I need to use row post content, right. Once you get the data from database and assign the data inside our variables, then we will able to use those variables inside our input form. So first I'm going to display the I'll leave this one first, and post title, so I need to use value equal to double quotation basic syntax of PHP, use equal statement and call variable post title. That's it. Copy that and paste here, paste here, paste here. I'll leave the image. I will use the later post. Right, we need to just change variable names. So this is the post title, post get ID, this one variable, copy that, post get ID, we need to paste that, post author, so where is the post author, this one, copy that and paste here. Now the fourth one is the post status, so I just call post status variable, leave the image and post tags, right, and post content, this one. So let's check it now, it's working or not. I'm going to click on the first one, web designing, admin, published, Photoshop and something. So the problem is we need to assign the double quotations, right? I'm going to show you. This is a double quotation, I need to assign double quotation. Just write double quotation after the closing this PHP tag, right, and also on here one time, right, one time, just one time, right, one time and one time. I think it should be displayed perfectly. Perfect. As you can see, web designing file admin published. I can't see the image, don't worry, post, and this is empty. I go to below, back and open the next one, programming to admin published, programming and something, right? So I want to display the image, right? So I go to URL post, I set the time, I just copy this one, simple query, code, and where is the image, this way. So I paste the code and we need to remove this one and call the image variable img. That's it. So I think image should be displayed. As you can see, I want to 100 to 80 and right, as you can see, I also send 150 to 120, right? This is your image. You can upload another image also, right? Now another thing is, this is a category, and this is a particular category title, or you can say that ID, but I want to display that dynamically IDs inside, categories inside this section. So I go to above and this is the category ID, I'll leave that, right, and I just use select, and this one also I will send the class form control, and inside this section I'll use PHP. I'll use query select strict from categories on data MySQL query and con query variable, right? This is a query. This query will help you to get the data from database, get the categories, right? Then I will use while loop, while row MySQL fetch associate and pass the data variable, right? use a square bracket and close the PHP tag. Write again basic syntax of PHP without closing that. Inside this section I use option, not option, yes. Inside this section I use basic syntax of PHP and type echo row get title, right? That's it, sir. And let's check it now, it's working or not. Yes, as you can see, web development, web designing, digital marketing, blogging, source code, everything appeared on the drop down menu. So I hope you understood as well how you can use query to get that particular record from the URL post and how you can display that particular record inside the edit_post.php page. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we have discussed all about how we can get the data and how we can display the data inside our form, or you can say that input text field. In this video I'm going to teach with you how you can update the record. So first thing, we need to set up the content. I can't see the content inside input text field. So first thing, you need to open your code editor and open edit_post.php file and go to below. So first thing we need to write, this is cut that, you need to cut the content, paste inside the text area, right? This is a mistake, right? We are able to see text has been appeared. Now the next thing, we need to check the button working or not. So go to code editor and go to above. This is basically if statement. I'm gonna give it record if set $post, and when user click on the button, which button, I'm gonna check that btn edit, right? btn edit_post. I'm gonna copy that, go to above and paste on here, use this split bracket, this equals statement. It's working, right? So let's check it now, it's working or not. I'm gonna click on that, it's working, right? Now the next thing, you need to get the data from input text fields. So I'm gonna open add_post.php file. This file available inside our admin panel, right? admin_includes. You need to open this one file and copy those fields, copy that and paste on here, right? Because the each input text field name same. I'm going to show you. As you can see, name, post title. Inside our post title have a particular record. Now we need to also change this one. This is the categories section. So I'm going to assign name, cat name, and inside the value, this one value, you need to write echo $row cat ID. This cat ID will get particular category ID, and this cat title will use to display the particular category, right? I'm going to show you this one. This is the only display. Behind this one have a category ID. I'm going to show you localhost php myadmin. So you need to assign the name inside the select statement, and also you need to assign the value, right? Now next thing, have a same names attributes, same name attributes like post author, post status, and this is the image, post tags, post content, right? Everything is the same, but I changed cat name, right? So you need to copy that, go to above and paste on here. This get name will assign inside our post get underscore id variable. So first I'm going to show you this get name and get id. Open categories dot category table, right? Inside have a get id as you can see and get title. I have assigned those names as you can see. Get id, this is the database column name, table column name, and this is also database column name, and this is a query that will help you to get the database category record, right? So after getting complete record and assign that record inside our variables, then you will able to perform the operation like update the record. So let's check it now, it's working or not. So I'm going to use query, the query is update, and also I'm going to use word rep that will help you to display the complete code inside our single page without scrolling, right? Update post set, I will assign post. First I'm going to open post.php file, post table, post get id. So I'm going to use post get id, assign this one variable, right? Use comma. The second variable will be post title. Those are database table column names, and you need to assign the variables like those variables. So I'm going to copy post title, paste here, use comma. Third one is post author. I'm going to use space post author and assign the value post author variable, right? Third one. Fourth one will be post date. I'm going to use now function that will help you to get the particular current date which have inside our computer, right? But I also use post underscore date and assign the now variable. Without, I will use this one. I will try that now function, right? This is the post date and post image, so we need to use post image. I check that. Post img underscore img, assign the this one variable value, comma, post content, post underscore content, assign the value post content variable, right? This one variable. So I'm gonna use camel case, where I think everything is perfect, right? Then I use where post id, this is the first column name, this one equal to, I go to above and I will use this one variable. Just a minute, this one, this variable value will be appeared on here, this one, and this variable value will assign inside this one variable. I will use this one variable inside our query that will help you to update the particular record. So I go to above and I'm going to copy that, paste on here. This is our query. Use result MySQL query and pass to periodic connection and secure. If everything is clear, by saying this one, I'm going to call result. If everything is clear, I'm going to display them. I'll leave the message, but I want to redirect location dot \, post.php page. I'm going to show you just a minute. / this one variable, this one file. After updating the record, I want to display this one file, right? So first save that and let's check it now it's working or not. So I go back and I open again URL post. I'm gonna update the second one. I'm gonna change digital marketing admin to online IT tips, and I'm gonna use draft, and I leave this one image blogging marketing, right? Also I'm gonna add some time to edit now. I think what is the next one is okay. The content has been updated but can't update the some content like post status. I check that inside our post author the changed, right? Post title same, content has been changed, this is the date, this is the invalid, right? And now post comment is, I think I need to work on that also. Just check that. Post date I need to remove single quotation, right? And check that again. I'm gonna change the digital marketing, the category ID. I can see category ID, this will be source code and draft, right? I think category has been updated. As you can see, we are able to see number 5. And also I'll check the the date has been also updated, right? But I can't see the image, right? Don't worry, I will manage that on later. What the next post content also updated. I can't update the post status. So where is post status? Post tags, post status here. Where it is? Post content. Okay, I need to also use this one. Variable post status, where it is? This one. I use post status, assign the value, post status, this one, right? And post date, post image equal to post image, right? But I can't see the image, right? I can't see the image. I will manage that on later. So refresh that and check out now. I'm gonna use draft update, right? The category is a default one. I'm gonna change the category to third, and I'm gonna use digital marketing. This is the title, digital marketing, category number 3, draft, and I can't see the image, right? But record has been updated, right? I'm gonna refresh that, right? I can't see the image. I think I need to work on the image, but image is a very important to remove the previous image and update the next one image. So I will teach you on later how you can do that. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.